Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist over here in Fort Myers again. I'm going to show you guys a pretty sizable railroad crossing. Not sizable as in it has big equipment, just a lot of crossings are guarded here, a lot of streets. So here we have our first one. Advanced warning sign, pavement marking. As always, I'm going to include a Google Maps link so you guys can follow along. Here's your first faded pavement marking. There you have a cantilever regarding, this is a Palm Beach Drive, Palm Beach block. So either way, here you got multiple crossing equipment, which is noteworthy. So our first one is a WABCO signal base, as well as a WABCO gate mechanism, WABCO bracket, emergency contact info, and here you have Modern Industries like incandescent lights and a WABCO bell up top. Isn't that special? Old school indeed. Okay, so this line is very lightly used. You can see yonder the rail cars, box cars. So we had one avenue, the one that we just documented, right? Then here we got part two. This one appears to be new, yeah, fabricated metals. New, wasn't your MI setup. Emergency contact info. Those are SafeTran lights. My favorite kind of visors. They appear to be incandescent as well. And up here you have SafeTran lights as well. So I'm gonna cross Royalston Avenue right now as there's nobody coming. That's what she said. And damn, I should have ran for it. There's a lot of traffic coming the other way. It's alright. Okay, so we've counted two. This would be the third one. You can see that there was action going on. Here you got your Modern Industries cantilever. You got your dot tag. Look at that Seaboard Coastline dot tag. Ain't that some emergency contact info? Those are Modern Industries lights over there. Oh, look at that WABCO. You got WABCO all around here. WABCO. My goodness, it's like taking a trip back in history. MI lights, incandescents, yes sir, yes ma'am. Saw the Seaboard Coastline tag, right? Modern Industries lights all the way around. So this is a very interesting thing over here. I know some of you guys know what this stands for, and I'll let you comment below. Obviously that's milepost 963, but the AX. This line used to be owned by ACL, Atlantic Coastline, back in the day. Okay, I wanted to show you guys some hurricane damage too. It's just that there's so much to document here. Okay, so here, yeah, I'll show you guys the hurricane damage on the last one, because there's still one more crossing on this side. And you got your relay case over here. So State Road 80, milepost 963, all that good stuff. A WABCO, look at that. This is a WC Hayes, so it's a union made in perfect harmony. Look at this. You guys interested? You should pay me to do some of their propaganda over here. Okay, actually no, that line, that street over there doesn't have any protection as far as railroad wise. Okay, so I guess that would leave the last one. This is Highway 80, by the way. It's a main artery here. I believe it goes all the way across the state of Florida from east to west. This would be the westernmost, obviously, so about 5 miles west of me that way is the Gulf of Mexico. So yes, here we're gonna see some major hurricane damage. So you guys can see the force of Hurricane Ian. Check this out. So yes, this, now I get it. This cantilever right here is meant to protect that street. However, the one to protect this street, I just figured out where it is. Right here, check this out. That's some major damage. Can you guys look at the width of this steel? That's crazy. It's like maybe half an inch. Crazy, 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 crazy. And then over here, this is the other part of it. On the ground. Okay, a railroad visor from Hurricane Ian. That thing is boiling hot right now. It's like noontime. If I have any takers for that, comment down below. Damn, that thing is hot. I'm gonna have to get a paper for it. So yes, ladies and gents, that's it right there. Hurricane damage. Hurricane Ian. So yes, this road is only protected by that gate right there, which also sports everything WABCO. Alright, ladies and gents, always a pleasure. Take care of yourselves. Leave me a comment, a thumbs up. It helps me in the algorithm. Always a pleasure. Bye-bye.